Still skipping YouTube tags because you think they don't matter? Tags would not make a bad video go viral, but they can help YouTube better understand your content, especially if your title has a different spelling or common search variation. Here's how to add them. YouTube tags are words or short phrases that describe your video's topic. They are different from hashtags and are not the most important ranking factor, but adding relevant tags can still help YouTube understand your content in some situations. Let me show you where to find them and how to use them correctly. So first open YouTube Studio and edit your video or upload a new one. Scroll down and click Show More. Now scroll until you find the tag section. Here enter keywords that accurately describe your video. For example, if your video is about YouTube search history, you can add tag like YouTube search history, YouTube setting, YouTube privacy. Separate each tags by pressing enter or adding a comma depending on your device. Avoid adding unrelated or trending keywords just to get more views. Use only tags that match your video's actual topic. Once you are done, click save. That's it. Your video tag has been added. Using relevant tags gives YouTube additional information about your video's topic and can be helpful when viewers use different spellings, abbreviation, or search variation. However, tags are only a small part of YouTube SEO. A clear title, an eye-catchy thumbnail, and valuable content have a much bigger impact on your video performance. The best practice is to use a few accurate tags instead of filling the section with unrelated keywords. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.